In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted REPL in Replit. If you've ever removed a project a little too quickly, don't worry. Replit makes it straightforward to bring it back. I'll walk you through the exact actions, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few simple tips to help you avoid any confusion along the way. First, go to Replit in your browser and make sure you're signed in so you can see your own projects. Once you're on your Replit dashboard, look to the top left of the page for your profile icon. Click that icon to open your account options. This gives you quick access to tools that relate to your account and your workspace, which is exactly what we need. Next, open the CLUI, short for Command Line UI, or use the search bar. Both are built into Replit and are designed to help you find features fast. The CLUI is a compact command panel that responds to simple phrases, and the search bar works similarly for quick navigation. In either place, type the word restore. Keep it simple, just the word restore is enough. As soon as you do that, you'll see a list of deleted REPLs. This list is your safety net. It displays projects you previously deleted, typically showing their names so you can identify them. Take a moment to look for the exact REPL you want to bring back. If you have several with similar names, pause and double-check the one you really need so you don't restore the wrong project by accident. When you found the right REPL, select it and click Restore. Replit will confirm your choice and bring that project back into your main REPLs list. Give it a moment to appear. Depending on your connection and workspace activity, it might take a few seconds. Once it's restored, you can open it just like any other project and continue where you left off. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth. Use clear, descriptive names for your REPLs so they're easier to spot in the deleted list. And be patient if the page needs a second to refresh after the restore. If you don't immediately see your project, check your REPLs list again from the dashboard to confirm it's back, and that's it. Go to Replit, click your profile icon, open the CLUI or search bar, type Restore, review the deleted REPLs that appear, then select the one you want and click Restore. Simple, reliable, and a real time saver when you need to undo a deletion.